In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a link to a web page in Moodle. First, open the Moodle course shell where you want to add your link. Turn the editing on using the Turn Editing On button. Scroll to the section of your course where you'd like to add your link. For demonstrations today, I'm just going to add it here under the Readings section. Click the Add an Activity or Resource link, and then from the list that comes up, scroll to the very bottom and choose URL. We just need to focus on adding information here to name the link and then to add the link itself. I'm going to, in another tab, open the link or the article or website that I'd like to link to. So here I have NASA's International Space Station page open already, and I'm just going to move my cursor up to the top of the page, and I'm going to click down on the URL right here in the address bar. And when I click once, it turns it blue, so I know the whole URL is selected. Then I can either right-click and copy, or I can choose the Control-C keyboard command shortcut. Now that URL or web address is stored in my computer's immediate memory. I'll go back to my Editing URL screen in Moodle, and then I'll click down in this External URL field, and I'll paste in the URL. I can either paste by clicking here, or I can use the Control-V shortcut. Now I can simply name the link, and I can give it a name like NASA's International Space Station page, or I could even add a command to the beginning of it. Click here to visit NASA's International Space Station page. Now I just scroll to the bottom of the page and I click Save and Return to Course. And you'll see here is the link that I've created. I can test it by clicking on it, and you'll notice that the web page opens in a new page. So when I'm finished looking at it, I can simply X out of it, and I'll come back to my Moodle page. So that's how you add a link to a website on Moodle.